So for our OSB6, we will going to create a new client, which is first we need to set up our Windows XP and Windows 7. So make sure na under settings is sa network, naka internal network sila, both. Then after that, let's start by opening our Windows Server 2008 R2. Okay, so after that, punta tayo sa ating local area network, which is and then let's check our IP address network control panel, network and internet, then network connections. And then we will click for details. As you can see, yung default na nandito is naayos ko na since nagawa ko na yan. The IP address is 192.168.0.10.255.255.255.0 for the subnet mask, and the default gateway used is 192.168.0.1. And then for the preferred DNS server is 192.168.0.10. Then after that, sa Windows 7 and XP, kung ano yung ginamit dito natin is ilalagay din natin sa Windows 7 and Windows XP para malagin natin yung admin dito and malagin natin dito sa Windows 7 and Windows XP yung mga admin na yan. So, let's open our Windows 7. As you can see, no, yung Yummy PC is yan na yung successful na nagawa ko since na-connect ko na yung Windows 7 XP dun sa admin ng Windows Server 2008 R2. But papakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung paano ginawa yung pag set up ng IP address, subnet mask, etc. etc. And then go to network and internet. Network and search na lang natin local area. Sa control panel lang ito eh. Local area. Nope. Computer. So, ayan. So, as you can see, yung default IP address dito sa Windows 7 is napalitan na ng 192.168.0.20, 255.255.255.0 for the subnet mask, and for the default gateway, we have 192.168.0.1. And for the DNS server, we have 192.168.0.10. And then, the next step for you to create a new client is here, properties, and then, mali, here, this one, properties. Mali yung binigay niya. So, punta na lang tayo sa control panel. And then, system and security. And then, system. Sa system, let's click the change settings. And then, the change much in Windows Server 2008. So, dito mo ngayon i-connect yung domain na gamit sa Windows Server 2008 dito sa Windows 7 para maging successful na malagin ng yung admin dito sa Windows 7. So, ayan. And then, after that, manghihingi siya ng username and password para dun sa domain na gamit mo, nagamit mo doon sa Windows Server 2008. So, sa akin is yummy.com. And then, in-enter ko yung password sa yummy.com, and then, that's it. And then, after that, tapos magbibigay ng confirmation na magsasabi na welcome to the yummy.com domain. That means successful na nakapag-create ka ng client sa Windows 7. No? And then, for you to para ma-sure mo na naging successful nga yung ginawa mong pag-create ng client is restart mo lang yung Windows 7 and then try to log in yung username and then yung admin password doon sa Windows Server 2008 R2 dito sa Windows 7. And then after that is ayan. As you can see, si under Yummy Lavega S2A is nasa administrator siya ng Windows 2008 R2. So, I tried to log in this account and then, ayun, successful siya na nakapag-login sa Windows 7. And then, for the Windows XP naman, yung way ng pag-config mo ng network and ng config ng network, IP address, default gateway, and subnet mask is ganun din sa Windows XP. No? So, i-add mo yung IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, tsaka yung preferred DNS server para mag-connect yung para kumonect yung dalawa. Then after that, click computers, and then click properties. After that, ganun din, i-add mo yung domain ng Windows Server 2008 R2 sa Windows XP. And then, pagka-click mo ng OK, isihingin niya yung username and then yung password ng Windows Server 2008 R2 and then i-input mo dito sa Windows XP. After that is magkakaroon ng notification na welcome to the yummy.com domain. That means successful yung pag-create mo ng client sa Windows XP. And then, para ma-confirm mo din na naging successful nga yung process na yon is you need to restart your computer or you need to restart your Windows XP. And then, itry na ilagin ulit yung administrator. And then, sa Windows Server 2008 domain, lalabas yung this one. Check in the Windows Server 2008 if the Windows 7 and Windows XP is added to your domain. So, ayan siya. Teen PC, Yummy PC. So, that's it.